Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Oppo Reno 12FS comes with a USB cable in the box. You can see that I have my Oppo Reno 12FS box here, and we can see if it includes a USB cable. Let's open the box and put the lid aside because it's empty. Then take out this box, which we are gonna focus on soon. Then there's a phone and nothing under it. So let's take this bottom lid aside and focus on this box. Let's take everything out of here. You can see it's empty now, and there is a USB cable here. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.